Hi there, I'm Jack from Capable. Today I'm going to give you a quick run through of the diagrams capability and show you how to migrate your diagrams from Avono across to the Capable Diagrams feature. So first of all, let's take a look at what Capable Diagrams is and just how easy it is to get running. So here I've got a blank page. If I type /capable, you can see the diagram option here. And if we click that, we can choose from scratch from all of these diagram types we can pick, or we can pick from an existing diagram or from a load of examples that we've included in the app. So in this case, I'm just going to jump to a PlantUML sequence diagram, and I can show you just on the right here, we've got the live preview. And if on the left we change things, you can see it affects the thing on the right there. So simply I'm going to click save. And the diagram is now inserted on the page. And if we publish this, now we've got a new page with a diagram on it. Really simple. And you can click download here to download a copy of that to your computer. So that's it. It's really easy to get going and insert diagrams on pages as you'd expect. So here you can see on my Confluence Data Center instance, I've got the Avono plugin installed, and I've inserted a load of diagrams here, all the different macros and diagram types that it supports on this page. And what we'd like to do is bring this across to Confluence Cloud. So the way I migrated this data was using the Cloud Migration Assistant to bring across this data. However, as you'll be aware, when you do migrate to cloud, what you'll see is a lot of these unknown macro placeholders here. So I'm going to show you how you can turn these placeholders back into fully functional diagrams. So in Capable, what we've written is a simple migration tool here, which we recommend that you test on a separate space before you actually do this for real. And we've got a few options here, options to kind of scope down and run tests or insert Capable diagrams but retain those original ones. So what I'd like to do is simply run this on this page here. So I'm just going to add a CQL filter to just pick that page out, and you can tick the diagram. You can see it's detected this page has that diagram macro on it. So if we click Start Migration, you can see it's detected all of those macros on the page, and it's now proceeding to migrate them across. Now, Capable supports the vast majority of diagram types that this Avono plugin supports, with the exception of these four. So DITAA, Jacket, Math, and Latex are not supported with this migrator. But we suspect that you're mainly using the PlantUML diagram type, and that is fully supported. Now, if we go back to that page that we've refreshed, we should see that those macros have now been migrated across to Capable. So you can see here just a demonstration. They're not very complicated diagrams here. This is more just to show you all the different macros and how they've been migrated. So you can see each of these macros has been migrated across, and we can see how it's flowing, and it supports the majority of these macros straight across into Confluence Cloud. And if we look at those two pages, so the one on the Confluence Data Center and the one on Confluence Cloud alongside each other, we can nicely see that it's retained the styling of those diagrams. It's retained the structure here for each of these diagrams here. So you should be able to be confident that this can migrate the majority of your diagrams from Avono's macros across to Capable. I hope that was useful. We'll be releasing a beta version of this shortly so that you can actually give this a test run on a sandbox instance. And let us know if there's any problems, because I think as we know with these migrations, there's always some edge case that will come up that we'll have to adjust the migration code for. So cheers, have a good one. Bye.